Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change a language on Waze. Of course, first you need to launch the Waze navigation app on your device, and then you want to tap on the menu icon here at the top left. You will see these three horizontal lines. I want you to go ahead and click on this, okay? And then I want you to click on settings. So this is the third option right here. Click on settings. And from here, I need you to go ahead and access general. So if I come to general, you will see the first option. It says a language. So here we can choose our preferred language. You'll see a list of available languages. Just select the language you wish to use for Waze. So I'll pick a language I actually understand right here. So let's go with this one. Okay. And there we go. We have our language changed. And then you can relaunch Waze and everything will be in this new language. And it's really that easy and simple.